For this project, we aim to create a mobile application to help users manage their television show and movie watching. We took inspiration from the functionalities offered by Track.tv, a website that provides features like creating a watch list of TV shows and movies, getting recommendations about what to watch next, and seeing what your friends are watching. Our goal was to create a quick and easy way for people to take advantage of these features offered by the Tracked website through a minimalist and intuitive mobile user interface. When you first open the app, you are presented with a queue of items you are set to watch based on your previous viewing history. You can scroll through the items, single tap to get more information about an item, and double tap to mark that item as watched. The search button at the top of the page can be used to query for items and get more information about the search results. The burger menu on the left can be used to navigate to other screens in the app. The calendar provides a weekly view of what shows are coming up in the week based on the items present in your queue. Your profile page displays the items you have recently watched, as well as what is currently on your watch list and queue. Finally, the recommendation view gives you a curated list of movies and shows that are similar to what is in your viewing history and watch list. You can move through the items, hide them, or add them to your watch list for future viewing. The pilot study we conducted focused on determining what style of layout for the queue was most efficient and most preferred by users. Participants were presented with a horizontally scrolling large image view, a vertically scrolling large image view, and a vertically scrolling small image view. They were asked to mark different items on the queue as watched by scrolling to the item's poster and double tapping the poster. Metrics collected included time to complete the given task, as well as the number of errors that were encountered during the task.
Okay, so for the first task, you're going to mark as watched a show at the beginning of the list. So you're going to look for Naruto Shippuden, Season 1, Episode 1, and mark that show as watched.
What am I supposed to do? Like, I'm supposed to march, like,
Look for the corresponding image in the queue, Naruto Shippuden, and mark it as watched. And remember, marking means double tapping the image to mark that item.
I got you. I didn't realize you were saying the show.
Okay. So now you can do that. So in the next task, you're going to mark a show at the end of the list. So you're going to look for House of Cards, Season 4, Episode 2, and mark as watched. And in the last task, you're going to look for a show at the middle of the list, Better Call Saul, Season 2, Episode 1, and mark as watched. So that is the first task. Again, you're going to mark a show as watched, Naruto Shippuden Season 1, Episode 1 as watched. The next task, you're going to mark House of Cards, Season 4, Episode 2 at the end of the list as watched. And for the other task, you're going to mark Better Call Saul as watched. Okay. For the next task, you're going to mark House of Cards as watched. And for the last task, you're going to mark Better Call Saul as well. So thank you.
We were able to successfully incorporate the Track TV public API into our app, thereby giving the user up-to-date information about shows and their own tracked activity. Users were also able to navigate through our app easily based on the affordances we provided, such as the slight overlap of the next item for scrolling views and the drawer appearance of the hamburger menu. On the other hand, we encountered some difficulty in developing a calendar view of a user's upcoming television shows, as a responsive calendar proved difficult to implement in Android Studio. Additionally, Tract's API returned date and time results that required further parsing into appropriate formats and time zones. Many of our participants were able to complete the study without errors. However, 2 participants did not understand that the queue page would be the first screen presented to them when given the phone. This misunderstanding led to confusion when they were instructed to mark an episode as watched, as they thought they needed to navigate to the queue page to find the episode. Future iterations of our application would take into account the user preference for larger images being presented on various screens, such as on the search results page and the user profile page. We would also address additional features in Tract not yet implemented in our app, such as the ability to view and edit custom lists, or the creation of a newsfeed that gave updates on friends' activities. Thank you for watching!